Hey guys, welcome to TMB Designs, and today is another cleaning video. We are going to tackle this kitchen. As you can see, it is a mess. Now my kitchen is on the smaller size. It is a galley style kitchen, which means it's just like a narrow, long kitchen area. So it is really easy to get cluttered. And as you can see here, that is exactly what has happened. So together, we are going to whip this baby into shape. You see, I have just a collection of chips and plates from the weekend, but without any further ado, let's get cracking. Now, you guys, I am definitely a creature of habit, and I always start my cleaning routine in the kitchen with a sink of hot water. I just have to. I don't care what the situation is or how messy it is or is not. I always run some hot water, and I always add a little bleach to my water as well as dish detergent. Now this will allow me to use this water for multiple uses, as you will see. Not only will I clean the dishes with it, but because I've added the Clorox, I can go ahead and disinfect and sanitize my entire kitchen with this sink of water. Here I am just preparing dishes to go into the dishwasher. I do not like to put my pots and pans in the dishwasher, or if it's a big dish, I'll just wash it by hand. So I'm going to prep the dishes for the dishwasher and prepare to clean up my kitchen. You see, my twins, my nephews are there. I just finished making lunch for them, so they're bringing in their dishes, and I'm just adding it to the pile of dishes that need to be cleaned and just continuing on with the process. Now this refrigerator, you guys, is just a hodgepodge of leftover, and I really need to clean that out. So I will do that. Maybe in another video, I don't know, but you see the water is running over. Maybe I added just a little bit too much dish detergent, but it's okay. I'll use it up. There's the other twin coming in to bring in his dish. They are so full of energy. They kept me going the whole day. Again, here I am just prepping the dishes for the dishwasher. Now that that's started, I can move on to wiping down cabinets. That's another part of my system. I don't clean the dishes until I've wiped down all of my cabinet doors and countertops. I don't know why. I just feel like if I put the dishes in there and start to clean the dishes, that the water won't be as clean. Maybe not, but I just do that first. I'll put everything away, as you see me doing here. And then I'll proceed to wipe down everything. Now, I know a lot of people use different products to clean their cabinets with or countertops with, but to me, Clorox kills everything, so I just always use it to wipe down everything. Now, my countertops are the faux granite, so the surface is safe to wipe down with the bleach and water. Here I'm wiping my cabinets down with the bleach and water solution, just ensuring that everything is being disinfected. And I do this every time I clean my kitchen, because to me, the kitchens and the bathrooms are the most utilized spaces in your home. So to me, they should be disinfected and wiped down multiple times a week. That's not a weekly project. That's a daily project. Every day you're in your kitchen touching and wiping and cooking, you should disinfect and clean it, as well as your bathroom. So here you see me just going in with my bleach and water solution and just cleaning. And here, you guys, I am a YouTube creator, but I love watching my other YouTube sisters and brothers, and so I'm watching another one of my favorite creators, Charnel. I don't know if you guys watch her, Charnel Lene. She's hilarious. I love her. So I'm watching her, and she is actually doing a kitchen clean with me as I'm recording my kitchen clean with me. And I thought that was really funny. So I'm watching that, enjoying that, her and her baby girl, Miss Princess. So shout out to you, Charnel, if you watch. I know she's a supporter of my channel, so I just wanted to throw that little plug in there. I'm cleaning and watching the video and talking to the boys. You talk about multitasking. So at this point, they're asking to get outside. They're boys, so they have to run out and burn off that energy. So I let them go outside for a while I continue to clean the kitchen and enjoy my videos. Now I'm using the Scotch Brite little hand scrubber. It's the same brand of the bathroom cleaners. If you watch any of my other videos, you know that I use the Scotch Brite 1 cleaner to clean my tubs and surfaces in my bathrooms. And here it's just a handheld one. You see the boys, they're just peeking in the window, waving and talking to me through the window. But that is what I'm cleaning with. And it allows me to clean without scratching up the stainless steel of the pots. And you guys, I need your help on something. This set I have had for several years. I love it. It's by the Cook's brand from JCPenney, and it has the copper bottom. And I have not found anything to successfully clean the bottom of the copper. The copper is starting to tarnish a little bit, and I want to get that back nice and shiny. So if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys use. If you have copper pots or copper bottom pots, what do you use to clean them with? And I'm an old school country girl, so you see me here cleaning my cast iron skillet. You can't be a Southern cooker without cast iron something in your home. And so here is one of my wedding gifts. I absolutely love it. I use it all the time. It is the cast iron skillet, but it has the cutouts for like cornbread or anything that you want to do in like a pie shape. I love this thing. So I'm cleaning it out here. And if you know anything about cast iron, you can't just wipe it and leave it dry. You have to season your cast iron skillet. So I am cleaning it up and preparing to season it while I finish doing all my pots and pans. There's Miss Charnel. And you see how the bottom of my pans are? I hate that it looks like that, but again, please leave it in the comment section below if you know of a way to get that back nice and shiny. Okay guys, I am bringing my kitchen clean with me to a close. I am finished cleaning up, and I want to invite you all, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join the TMB family. Also hit that notification bell so that you know when I upload a new video. On my channel you will find all type of lifestyle videos, from cleaning, organizing, DIYs, room tours, and so much more. I want you guys to connect with me on my other social media sites. I'm active on TMB Designs 2 on Facebook, TMB Designs 2 on Instagram. So until the next video, I want you all to have a blessed and beautiful, beautiful day.